Welcome home to fabulous Fairview, a popular Vancouver neighborhood where a highly desirable and very rare opportunity to own a 3-bedroom corner unit is now available. This residence is exactly what you've been looking for. A beautiful open concept interior with room for all of your furnishings. The extra generous living room area is a bright open space, complemented by a cozy gas fireplace and a doorway that leads to an immense patio area. Lovely, easy to care for laminate floors extend into the adjacent dining area where you will love entertaining family and friends. Loved ones will enjoy sitting at the breakfast bar watching you create delicious dishes in the spacious kitchen, which boasts expansive granite counters and abundant cabinetry. A decorative tile backsplash and tile floors add the finishing touches to this well-appointed cooking haven. A tranquil ambiance permeates the master bedroom, offering you an excellent place to unwind. Its generous size accommodates a king-sized furniture ensemble, and its closet area, equipped with built-ins, accommodates any size wardrobe. The adjoining bath is a sparkling oasis, treating you to a tiled shower over tub. 2 additional bedrooms, providing light and bright surroundings, are ideal for children's rooms, guest accommodations, or an office. The 3rd bedroom features a great built-in desk, plus a good-sized closet. Topping it all off is a walkout to your very own patio, making it feel more like a home than a condo. This is an unbeatable location, close to the Canada Line, City Square, seawall, shops, restaurants, theater, and so much more. You don't want to miss this one.